Hello friends, Philately of India of the year 2014. A selection from our collection. United Nations declared the year 2014 as International Year of Crystallography. The year 2014 is centennial of use of X-rays to reveal crystal structures. The stamp depicts two things. One is the diamond, the allotrope of carbon, and the other is the structure of curcumine, the active constituent of turmeric, as revealed by X-ray studies. Curcumine is responsible for the bright yellow color of turmeric. The 200 years of foundation of Indian Museum, Calcutta. It is the oldest and the largest in India. 3 stamps are published. One to the left is an art piece depicting peacock. The middle one shows the huge imposing building of the museum. The one to the right is a painting showing Lord Shiva as an archer riding on Nandi. Jagjit Singh, the great ghazal singer and composer. The National Council of Churches in India. It has 30 national churches as its members. They run hundreds of educational schools and colleges and medical institutions. Drukpa lineage of Buddhism. This lineage is based in Himalaya. The word Druk means dragon and it also refers to the sound of thunder in Tibetan language. This lineage was founded in the year 1206. 2014 FIFA Football. This was the 20th event and was hosted in Brazil. FIFA was founded in May 1904 in Paris. World Cup event is held every 4 years. 4 stamps released by Indian Post. Gaiety Theatre Complex, Shimla. The building is of Victorian theatre architecture. The theatre was opened in the year 1887. 8 stamps are published to pay tribute to Indian musicians. Pandit Ravi Shankar, the sitarist. Pandit Bhimsen Joshi. Pandit Kumar Gandharva. Ustad Vilayat Khan, the sitarist. Pandita D.K. Pattammal, the vocalist of Carnatic music. Pandita Gangubai Hangal. Pandit Mallikarjun Mansoor. Ustad Ali Akbar Khan, Sarod Vadak. First liver transplantation in India took place at Indraprastha Apollo Hospital on 15th of November 1998 in New Delhi. India-Slovenia joint issue. Sagol Kanjai. It is the name of a game. In Manipuri words, Sagol means horse and Kanjai means hooking stick. It's true that today's horse polo game has its origin in India at Manipur. The occasion of the stamp is the 150th anniversary of introduction of Sagol Kanjai to the world. Baba Amte, the revered social worker. In 1949, he founded Maharogi Seva Samiti at Varora. It gradually culminated into Ananda Vana. With the view to bring about national integration, Baba Amte undertook Bharat Jodo Yatra in December 1985 from Kanyakumari to Jammu. The occasion of the stamp is birth centenary of Baba Amte. Thank you for keeping company of Vishwas Joshi. Like, share and subscribe.